Today I am going to review 1985 model Maruti 800. Let's start the video. Maruti 800 was launched in the year 1983 and it was discontinued in the year 1987. This car is 1985 model and Maruti 800 was second most sold car after Ambassador and Fiat Premier Padmini. Maruti 800 was used as a race car in olden days. The metallic bumper, crash pad, it is made up of fiber, halogen tail lamp. Now let's open the boot and check the boot space. It has, to access the boot, we have to open the glass itself. It has decent sized boot space, around 200 liters. This is the spare wheel of the car. Now let's open the back passenger door. This is how the back passenger door looks like. Grab handle, lock and unlock handle, window lever. Now let's get inside the car and check the leg space. It has decent leg space and we cannot expect much leg space from all the Maruti 800 cars. Two people can sit very easily. For third person cannot sit easily because it has a big hump, so that he could not be comfortable. It has 2-spoke steering wheel. Now let's move front and check other details. Now let's open the front door, front driver side door. This is how the driver side door looks like. Grab handle, lock and unlock handle, window lever, 2-spoke steering wheel. And this switch is used for indicator and headlight. This is used for window wiper controls. This is the hazard light switch. This on and this is off of the hazard light switch. Instrument cluster. It shows the kilometer and it shows the total distance covered. It shows the this is the fuel meter, temperature of the engine heating, and here are the warning lights displayed. This is the bonnet opener and these both switches are used for horn. This switch is used for horn. The horn sound is decent. Maruti badging on the steering. Handbrake. 4-speed manual transmission. AC vents. It does not get AC, it only gets the blower. And these are the blower controls. Store space. And here also there is a store space. Now let's open the clump box. It is a decent size clump box. Now let's open the bonnet and let's have a look on the engine. It does not get any hydraulic struts. It has the 800cc 3-cylinder petrol engine which produces 39 horsepower and 59 Nm of torque. It has Suzuki badging, battery. Now let's start the car and check the engine sound. If you have liked this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.